How to change your birthday on Instagram. After you open up your Instagram app like this, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open the menu, now tap on this account center, this one. After you open this account center, scroll to down and tap on this personal details, this one, personal details. After you open this personal details, now go ahead and tap on this which says birthday. Here is it. Tap on this birthday option. So if you tap on this birthday option, as you can see now you can go ahead and select your Instagram account, or you can tap on this edit button. As you can see now, tap on the Instagram or tap on this edit button. Choose one of them. So I'll just tap on this edit button. So in this section, as you can see now, you can be able to see your current date of birth. As you can see now, edit your birthday. So as you can see now, tap on this section. So now you can go ahead and change your date of birth. As you can see now, change it the way you want. So after you finish changing your date of birth like this, tap on this set button. After you tap on this set button, now you can tap on this save button. It will save your date of birth that you just added. This is how to change birthday on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.